Welcome to Search India. For seller registration process, open www.searchindia.live. Scroll down to bottom. Click on the Become a Seller option, follow the sign up process, and fill up the details. Select category. After that, log in with ID password. Select your convenient services package. Fill up the details. Choose payment option and proceed to pay. After payment successful, you can access your dashboard. Fill up your personal details, business details, and social media accounts. Then add product details. We have many other features. Now start getting orders.